In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your created templates in Monday.com. If you've been working on Monday.com, you know how invaluable templates can be for streamlining your workflow. But what happens when you need to tweak a template to better suit your evolving needs? Well, that's precisely what we're going to tackle together today. To begin, let's navigate to the Template Center. Now, don't worry, this is easier than it sounds. You'll want to start by locating the plus icon on the left-hand panel. It's conveniently placed right next to your current workspace name. This little plus icon is your gateway to more options within Monday.com, including accessing the Template Center. So, make sure to give it a click. Once you've done that, look for the option that reads Template Center on the list. Clicking on this will transport you straight to where all your template magic can happen. Now that you're in the Template Center, you'll notice a list of categories on the left panel. It's here that you can easily manage your templates. One of these categories is labeled Created by Me. This is where Monday.com gathers all the templates you've personally crafted. So go ahead and click on Created by Me. This action will reveal all the templates you've lovingly put together. With your creations in view, it's time to select the template you wish to edit. Just click on it, and you'll notice that you're given several options on how to proceed. Here's the crucial bit. On the top right corner of your screen, there should be an option that says Edit in New Tab. By clicking on this, you're allowing yourself some editing elbow room. You'll be smoothly whisked away to a brand new tab that opens up the template editor. Think of it as your creative workspace. Once you're in the template editor, you'll have the freedom to adjust, tweak, and overhaul the template to your heart's content. Whether it's adapting task sequences or updating project details, this is your moment to make those necessary updates. As you work, remember this is your chance to reflect any changes that will make your workflow more efficient and effective. When you've made all the necessary changes and your template is refreshed and ready to go, it's time to seal the deal. Direct your attention once more to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option to Publish Changes. Clicking this finalizes all your edits and ensures the updated template is ready and available for all your future projects. And there you have it, a newly edited template that fits your updated needs and workflows in Monday.com. Enjoy harnessing the power of templates with your newfound skills.